Hi guys, I'm Shmi. We're joined here by Phil from BMW, product manager of the i8 here in the UK. We've been at the little launch here in London, but I wanted to show you guys something a little bit cool that Phil's just been showing me. The app. So the i8 app that we've got here. Yes. Talk us through it a little bit.
Well, so here we're connected to the crystal white car in front of us here. So you can access a whole range of features on the car and when it updates. So for this, it's essentially showing us with our 65% state of charge and 206 complete range and 9 miles on electric. You can also, via the app, set a timer to precondition the car. So this is for if you're sort of using a wall box to charge up your car, you can actually make sure that in the morning all the charge is in there, so it's either pre-warming or cooling the car down before you get into it. So then it's using your mains electricity rather than the electricity of the actual car.
Good number of settings you can set up.
And you can do sort of off-peak charging as well if you have a cheaper tariff for overnight.
Okay, nice.
You've then also got a whole host of features in terms of being able to flash the headlights, so if you want to identify your car, come back to it.
Okay.
Car park. You can also lock and unlock the vehicle. You can then check the status of the car as well at any time.
Nice.
So this is giving you how many miles the car's done, if the doors, windows, boot lights, etc. what they are, so you could check it if you're on the plane and you weren't quite sure that your
so
car was locked.
you can be assured that you did close the doors,
Exactly.
you did close the windows.
And you can also see all of your servicing requirements, so
nice.
condition-based servicing for when that's next due.
Vehicle inspection, May 2017. That sounds like quite a long time.
It is a while. And then we have, in terms of the map, you can see your closest charging locations to where you are. So if we go to a charging location,
all of those are around us.
Tell you, so the ones available you can see at the top. So it even tells you if the car's already plugged into it.
Okay, and that's all just feeding off some info fed out by
the charge points themselves.
Okay,
it's
fantastic.
reading, and you can check obviously where it's located, who runs that charging point, and you can then send it to the vehicle as well. So
send it to the vehicle, then set the navigation to take you there. Very clever.
Exactly.
I do like that feature that you can just get the car nav can be sent information.
Yeah, and the same way, sort of using the map, you can then locate where the vehicle is. So should you be on foot, you can then locate exactly where you are and then where you are in relation to the vehicle.
Point because neither of the cars are plugged in at the moment.
Exactly. And then the final one on the app, you also have tutorials in terms of your efficiency of the trip that you've been on.
Okay.
So you can compare in terms of this, so how it's been driven.
Driving.
Yeah. So not too efficiently, last drive of this one, but it grades you according to the different performances, and then there's tutorials in terms of actually how can you kind of improve the efficiency in each of the ones. Exactly.
That's the thing that this car does so well. It still has the performance, yet somehow gets 134 miles per gallon. Is phenomenal.
And you can then compare those stats with the wider community, so anyone else who's got an i8 worldwide who then opts in on this app for the data to be shared, you can then actually kind of see where you sit in terms of statistics-wise with that wider.
Well, it's pretty impressive to me. Last trip information.
Exactly.
Okay, very nice.
So how much it does, and then obviously you have the community and where you sit on there.
Wicked. Well, I'm a bit of a tech geek, so I rather love the thought of everything that you've got set up on there. So thank you very much for showing it to us, and thank you for our little drive earlier. Hope you guys enjoyed watching that and seeing a little bit more about the app that BMW have built for the iCars. Is it just the i8 or will it be
i3 has
the i3?
Same app as well.
Absolutely brilliant. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe for all of the other videos, and I'll catch up with you again soon. Cheers. My foot down a little bit. The engine should kick back in.